If you're wanting to try this project at home, all of these tools and all the supplies we bought off weaverleathersupply.com, which is the sponsor of this video, and I'll add links to all the different things you're gonna need in the description, and you can also save 10% by using the code RoseAnvil at checkout. And I really like Weaver Leather Supply. If you've seen this channel, you know they sponsor videos, but you also probably know that we use their products and their equipment in the back of the shop. We use their big master tools to make a lot of our products, and we even use their little hand tools for projects like this. And that's really what makes Weaver stand out, is if you're a one-person operation, just barely get into leather, they're a great resource. Or if you're a bigger company like us, they're a really good resource, and they carry high quality pieces of equipment, tools, and hardware. Unlike the junk that you buy off Amazon and some of these discount shops, you can trust them. And if you ever have any questions, or you have any problems, they're super knowledgeable, they're easy to get a hold of. I'm a big fan of Weaver Leather Supply. So be sure to use the code RoseAnvil at checkout to save you that 10%, and be sure to look at the links below. So thank you guys, and thanks to Weaver Leather Supply. See ya.